G'day, I'm Scott from Australia. We just went to the Big Banana in Coffs Harbour. Yeah, it was good fun actually. There was plenty to do there. We got there and went straight up to the bobsled or toboggan, so it's the big silver trail down the hill. That was plenty of fun. You go and take your mates, and it's good to have races and stuff. Yeah, it's a big, obviously like a main icon for Coffs Harbour, so drive past and you can't miss the Big Banana. It's good to get photos and stuff in front of that. We went for a walk through the banana plantation and read about how the crops are grown and harvested and all that kind of thing. There's also an ice skating rink there, so we went down there and had an hour on the ice. It was pretty fun, hard to get the hang of, but yeah, no, that was good. And they've got you can get frames for little kids and stuff if you're having trouble picking it up, so all the staff were really friendly and help you out with little tips and stuff. Then they've got like an inflatable water park there, so yeah, that was good fun for the young at heart. You can always get up there, accept everyone, so yeah, no, they had a few slides there, and space is just for little kids, so everyone's safe. They make sure it's really safe, and yeah, they've got Souvenir shop and all kinds of stuff in there to buy, and there's a cafe with their famous chocolate bananas, so we got one of them, and they were unreal. So yeah, it was a good day out at the Big Banana.